Hello guys, it's me again, Steve. Okay, so I have a video for you guys. If you guys planning to start a mobile detailing business and somebody have a passenger Ford passenger van selling, I think that's very good for mobile detailing. So I'm gonna show you some things that I like about this van. All right, it's not fully set up, but the way it is, I still can use it and do detailing if I want. All right, so I'm going to turn the camera around and show you some stuff that I like about this van. Okay guys, so as you can see, I got everything right here, right? I'm planning to get me one more of this bag right here for interior, one for interior, one for exterior. Okay, see, I have my water hose over here. Voila, nice. All of my guns are here. This one and this one. Okay, quick connect. I like this setup. All right. Vacuum. This is for water. Guys, check this out. You see this right here? I put this on here, so whenever I finish with the gun, with the hose, and I'm ready to wind it up, it always leak water all over the van. So I put this in here and you just stop. If you guys have a better way, please comment down below and let me know. All right, but this, you just put it in there, and if I open it right now, I guarantee you you're gonna leak a lot of water. All right, this right here worked very good, and check it out guys. See, these are the things that you guys can do in the mobile detailing. All right, check this out. So watch the video, and maybe something in the video you might like that you can do in your own detailing. As I say, I love this van because this van, there's a lot of options you can do. Okay, you even got speakers in the door side. On both sides got speakers. See? Okay, I'm gonna try to put some of this over here, some smaller ones. But this, I lift it up and it came out. Oh, see? You need to clean, but still not finished yet guys. Alright? So put that back in there. This right here. Okay. And this one here. Right on top. Nothing going nowhere. And the number one thing I love about my setup guys, this right here. Okay, I'm not gonna turn it on right now because I just want to show you guys a quick rundown. So this is all the things that I'm using. This is for the water pump, this one is for the pressure washer, vacuum, and this is for the air compressor, and this one gonna be for the extension wire. All right, so I put it right here. Voila. As I say guys, I'm not finished, I'm still working on it. All right, so as you can see, these are the connectors that I use for the, so I have one more, this one more for the extension wire. See, I need one more for the extension wire, which I'm gonna put somewhere over there. Okay guys, as I said, this is another thing I like about this van. Look, ear AC and eat. All right, look right here. See guys, that's where the heat came through. And there's more over here too. Look, see. So the passenger van is very good, and this is a Ford E350, 90,000 miles and 90 something thousand miles on there, and it run very good. See, I changed the radio from that radio here. So I take it and I put this radio in there. and this radio works very good. You know what I'm saying? But guys, this is my setup. It's not completely finished, as I said. I still have more coming, just little by little. This air compressor is very good and quiet, and it filled up so fast, guys, real fast. You could have a conversation with the customer, but to get done, boom, it's ready. This Ryobi, this one is work good, but I noticed that it burned a lot of gas, so I might upgrade it later on to the one that they use at Harbor Freight. That one I might try to get. But guys, this is real good. Check it out, guys. Let me show you something under here. Oh, you can't see it. Oh man. But the muffler is under here, where I run it under the bottom of the car. See right there? That's where the muffler came through. So I'm gonna make a video for that, so you guys could see how I do it. All right? Okay.